Given a circle with radius 1 centered at the origin, unit circle, there is a point M where the terminal ray of the standard position angle theta intersects the circle. The coordinates of point M are a half, root 3, 2. What is the sine of angle theta? So, okay, this is pretty not so bad. This is just unit circle stuff. Even though it's section 3, 4, it's still unit circle stuff because of the fact that the radius is 1. We have a point M at 1/2 root 3 over 2. Okay, so if you remember your unit circle, there's 3 dots. Okay, 1/2 root 3 over 2 is going to live at this dot up here. Okay, the dot closest to the y-axis. What is the sine of angle theta? I don't even have to go that far. Basically, sine is y over r. Sine theta is y over r. R is 1, and y is root 3 over 2. So the sine of angle theta is just root 3 over 2. I feel that's a bit too easy, but that's the problem. So I don't know. Yeah, hopefully you see a gentle problem like that on a future test or something. Hope it helps.